If you're loving the use of AI right now, this video is for you. Hey there, this is Leslie Noble, and this is your daily no bullshit truth. I've been a therapist for close to 30 years and would love for you to be a part of my community and my healing community. These videos are not supposed to be in the replacement to therapy, so go find you a good therapist. This is for educational and inspirational purposes only. So let's get into it. Let's talk about it. I'll admit there's parts of AI that I'm really loving. I had to do an Excel spreadsheet and it got it done for me in 4 minutes. It's like one of the best executive assistants I could have ever asked for. On the other hand, one of the concerns I'm seeing over and over and over again is that we shouldn't be using AI to outsource our own self-agency and our own inner trust. And what I mean by that is, people come in all the time with lack of confidence or lack of self-worth. And part of building self-agency is learning to stay in the struggle, learning to figure things out, learning to use your own creativity, your own identity. And if you're not careful, AI can take that part of you away. The second thing is it's never meant to be a replacement for connection. And one of the things I know for 100% truth is that part of healing is finding connections that can honor your worth and have empathy for you. AI should never, ever be a replacement for real connection. We heal in connection with others in community, friends, and people that gather around us and love us and are there for us. And number 3 is we have to be really careful not to replace real vulnerability. When we're saying to AI we're struggling, we're missing that moment to connect with somebody else. We're also missing that moment when someone can connect with us. So this trend I'm seeing over and over and over again is the use of social media, the use of AI in replacement for real connection. And we have to be careful that it's not just another form of avoidance. So everything in its place. Try to reach for connection first, then use AI. Use AI for, executive things. Save the big things like healing from trauma, healing self-worth and confidence. Work with a therapist or a 12-step group or a community that's going to be supportive. Don't outsource all of that to AI. I think we're going to see a lot of more things coming with AI, and we just have to be cautious. I think part of it's really exciting. I think there are going to be things that we are going to be able to do really quickly that we haven't before. But I also think we have to be cautious in its use. It's not a bad thing. Just limit your time, just like you would with TikTok. Get out of this from behind the screen and get back into your life. Instead of watching people read books, actually read a book. Instead of watching people paint on TikTok or decorate their rooms, you do those things. Get out behind the screen and live your life. That is healthier, and that is taking care of your mental health, and it's going to help you not feel so isolated. I hope this was helpful to you, and if it was, like, subscribe, share, and there's more where this is coming from, and I'll see you next time. See you later. Bye.